What if your intercom station can do a lot more than just opening the door? Meet Hikvision's new all-in-one indoor station. A tablet device that can converge and control security systems. With simple slides and taps, it helps monitor and manage intercom, alarm, access control, and video security systems. You can easily arm your home's alarm system on your way out and disarm it when you return. Check the status of devices and spot problems quickly. With simple touches, you can speak to your maintenance man at the gate and open the door for him.
I'm the repairman here today.
The door is open.
And check the situation in your backyard at night.
The door is open.
So you won't miss any surprise visits. With dashboards for all-in-one management, easy operations on touchscreen, and flexible access to third-party apps, Hikvision's all-in-one indoor station brings convenience and security in one place. Hikvision all-in-one indoor station. Converge and control security with a simple touch.